What up, Super Squad? We got something real special for you on this upcoming surge. I'll be joined by Christopher Barnett, and we'll be releasing the Supered Ripper Playbook on how to take one piece of technology and replace it systematically with something like HubSpot that will help you win net new deals for your service company. We'll also talk a bit more about Southbound and some other playbooks we may or may not be releasing that will help you do business. Join us for the next one.
The Ripper is here. The Ripper Playbook is exclusive to Supered partners in the arena, and it is a tactical guide to dismantle the outdated systems and rebuild a powerful, streamlined HubSpot engine. This is where your customer transformation begins.